welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I achieved this beautiful zip hairstyle. But before then, please remember to give this video a thumbs up and also click on the subscribe button below. Please, I would really appreciate that. So now let's get straight to the video. This is the type of wool that I'll be using, and here I've already prepped some of it into pieces. As you can see, this is how it looks like. You can use any color of your choice. I'm using this brown color. Hair is already moisturized. Here I take 12 strands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. These 12 strands of wool. At first, I do a 3 strands braid. Then I start to wrap her hair around each wool. First of all, go right side, then the left side, right side, and the left side. I'm wrapping her natural hair around the wool, as you can see me doing. I'm wrapping only her natural hair on the both sides. Here is it. Here. Exactly. When it is almost done, then I take some of the wool and attach it to her natural hair to wrap it more, for you to achieve the exact length that you want. Okay, this length is okay for me. Then I tie it up, make a knot to secure it. This is how the style looks like. I hope you are seeing what I'm doing. I'm not braiding the hair, I'm wrapping her natural hair around the wool. I wrap it to the left side around the wool, then to the right side around the wool. There's 2 wool, so I wrap her natural hair to the left side and also to the right side. That's what I'm doing to create this zigzag zip style. When I get to the ends of our hair, then I tie it up to secure it. You can also continue depending on the length that you want. Here I'm stopping right at the ends, right where her hair stops. Now I'm going to show you once again how I did this zip hairstyle. It's not a braid, it's not braid, I didn't braid it and I didn't twist it. So please watch carefully. This is my wool or yarn. I have 12 strands here. I use the small ones, the smaller one. So at first I'm going to braid the ends like 2 to 3 times, just like this. I'm braiding it now, so the braids is okay. So now I'm going to start. This is her natural hair, this is the wool, one here, the other one. So I'm going to start to wrap her natural hair around the wool. As you see, I wrap it to the right and now to the left around the wool, to the right and to the left. I'm wrapping her hair around the wool. That's it. To the right, to the left, until I get to the ends of her hair. That's it. Now that our hair is remaining the tiny one, I'm going to take a little bit of the wool in one section and add it to the middle hair. Then I continue wrapping. I wrap until I get to the ends of her hair. You can see there's still a little bit of her hair in, so I'm going to wrap all this one so that I will not cut off her hair. Continue wrapping. You can wrap until you get the desired length that you want. So this is how I want it. I want it short like this. You can do it long if you want. Continue wrapping. And now as you can see, there's no natural hair in the wool. So it's time for me to secure it by tying it. Take a 2 strand of wool, then I tie it up. I create a knot and tie it again 2 times. Then now I cut it, excess wool. Then I use this lighter to secure the ends like this. Here is it. This is the zip style. The zip style. Yeah, it's not braid and it's not twist, it's zip. So continue watching.
by you. Do you love again? Missing you, I'm missing you. Come to me again. Come on baby, let it go. Make me fine again. Love is you, realize. Love is you, realize. Make you feel, make you feel, make you feel, make you feel love again. I need you, girl. Stay here, lady. I need you, girl. Save me, lady. I need you, girl. Baby, come on, baby. Just to my world, talking to my eyes. Oh no, I need you, girl. Stay here, lady. I need you, girl. Save me, lady. I need you, girl. Come on, baby, let's go party. Time to let it go. You are my only you, girl. My baby, girl, 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 girl. Come back with me. Come to me again. Come on, baby, let it go. Make me fine again. Love is you, realize. Love is you, realize. Make you feel, make you feel, make you feel, make you feel love again. I need you, girl. Stay here, lady. I need you, girl. Save me, lady. I need you, girl.
That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Remember to give it a thumbs up and also click the subscribe button below. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Come on, baby, let's go party. Time to let